Photoshop 3D photo editing tutorial.
If you want to learn how to make content effortlessly, scan the QR code, check out the video description, or click the link down below and subscribe to the channel if you find value.
Once you have all the images loaded on the screen and the text that you would like to make 3D, click on your text and right-click under the Layers panel and click Blending Options. Once loaded, click Bevel, Contour, and Texture, and even add a drop shadow if you would like, and click OK. In this case, our text looks a little 3D, but we want to make it actually look better. So click on your text and make sure that your text is rasterized by right-clicking and click Rasterize. In this case, it's already rasterized. On your keyboard, click Ctrl and then T so the text is selected and highlighted, and move the up arrow key once and the left arrow key once. Click Enter. And now click and hold Ctrl, Shift, and Alt T all at the same time. And do this multiple times until you are happy with the desired 3D effect or result. And then go down and scroll and hold down Shift and click the original and right click and click Convert to Smart Object. And as you can see, now you have a 3D text. You can apply the same principles to both of these or all of the images. Select the image, right click, rasterize layer, right click blending options, bevel, contour, texture, drop shadow, Control plus T. This time I'm moving the arrow key down and right, and then I'm holding down or clicking Control Shift Alt and T, and keep doing that until you are happy with the desired result. And then I'm scrolling down, highlighting everything by clicking and holding down Shift, and then Convert to Smart Object. Another way to make your photos or images 3D is to select the image, Control and T, right-click your image, and click on this option, Perspective, which is above Distort and Under Skew. And you can click any one of the corners, and you can move it inwards, and it makes it 3D. Or you can even click, right-click, and click Distort, which is underneath Perspective. And you can do the same thing for the corners, and it makes your image look 3D. If you want to adjust the same effect as we did on this image to our new image, you can do the same thing. Right-click, rasterize, right-click, blending options, Shift Alt T, Control T, move it up and left or whatever you want with the arrow keys, and Control Shift Alt and T. And as you can see, we now have a 3D looking effect. And this is the before. And this is the after.
Again, if you want to save hundreds of hours of money per year editing content, then check out the video description, scan the QR code, or click the link down below. And thanks for watching this tutorial.